Hello everyone, today I will tell you a story about the brave astronauts and the journey to Mars. In a bright little town, there lived three best friends, Avi, Sarah and Leo. They all shared one big dream to become astronauts and explore the universe. Every night they lay on the grass gazing at the stars, looking at the moon shining like a lamp, said Sarah.
I want to walk on in someday, whispered Avi.
And I want to fly even further to Mars, added Leo with a grin. The friends promised each other, one day we'll go to space together. Years passed and their dreams grew stronger. They studied science, but little rockets from cardboard and read books about planets. When they grew older, they joined the Space Academy.
At the academy, they learned how to fly rockets, how to fix machine in space, how to live without a gravity, and how to work as a team. Sometimes the training was hard. They had to run, swim, and practice inside spinning machine, but they never gave up. They remembered their promise under the stars.
One day, the space commander said, "Congratulations, you three have been chosen for a very important mission to travel to Mars and search for signs of life." The friends were overjoyed.
They wore shiny astronaut suits and climbed into a tall rocket. The countdown begins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
With a thunderous roar, the rocket soared into the sky, leaving Earth far below. Inside the spaceship, everything floated, pencil, food, even their water. Leo laughed as he tried to catch a floating apple. Sarah spun gracefully in the air like a ballerina. Avi wrote notes, giggling as a pen floating away. They looked out the window. They gasped. Earth looked like a glowing blue and green marble. The stars shone brightly than they ever had seen.
After many days of travel, they saw the red planet Mars growing bigger and bigger in the window. When they landed, the doors opened with a hiss. The friends stepped out onto the dusty red ground. "Wow, this feels like a dream," whispered Sarah. They placed a flag to mark their mission and collected rocks to study. Suddenly, Leo noticed something shining in the sand. It was a patch of frozen water. "Water?" Avi shouted. "If there's a water, maybe life could survive here one day."
The astronauts worked together to take pictures and some samples. They knew this discovery was important for all of humanity. But just as they prepared to leave, a big dust storm began. The wind howled and the red dust covered the sky. The spaceship shook and the ground trembled. "We must hurry back to the rocket," Sarah shouted. Holding hands, the three friends ran through the storm. The dust swirled around them, but they never let go of each other. Finally, they reached the rocket, safe and sound.
After the storm passed, the rocket blasted off, carrying them back towards Earth. The journey was long, but their hearts were full of pride. When they landed, crowds cheered and waved flags. The commander announced, "These brave astronauts have discovered signs that Mars could one day be a home for life." The friends smiled at each other. Their childhood promise had come true. They had gone to space together and they had made history.
That night, Avi, Sarah and Leo once again lay under the stars, this time as real astronauts. "Dream really do come true," Sarah whispered. "Yes," said Leo, "but only if we work hard and never give up and always stick together." Avi added. The stars twinkled as if they were nodding in agreement. Moral of the story is, with friendship, courage, even the biggest dreams like reaching the stars can come true. Thanks for watching.